Hello, this is Denise Miller with Visual Faith Ministry. This is the last of a full year in the Psalms. And for December, we did Psalm 143 through 150. So a lot of what you'll see is the ephemera from our ephemera packet. And then I did spend quite a bit of time, if I found my word for the year, steadfast, taking notes, and just really spending quality time in scripture. We did Psalm 145 for our around the word, so I did add that a little bit later. Wrote a bunch of notes. My word steadfast is everywhere, but I really enjoyed these last few Psalms of the year. And then we come up to 150 and our year is done. So I enjoyed it. It was just beautiful to spend a year and just dig into the Psalms. I honestly don't want to leave the Psalms. We are going into the Gospels, so I'm excited for that. But there's just something about the Psalms that are just beautiful. So that is my December, and I'm going to get out my other book that has the New Testament in it, and get ready for some excitement in the Gospels.